with that over your head. Do you feel like claustrophobic? No, right? Do you feel like kind of nice, like that? Maybe the face, like you can close your eyes, or and you could see as
I'm gonna do photo first.
How close?
This is close.
This is the closest. I feel okay.
You feel okay?
Yeah.
There you go. This is nice. You do a video too?
I do feel fine. I like it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's great.
Feel
It's definitely you feel normal.
It's still prototype, so we don't have can there yet. So
Yeah. Do you want to try it out yourself? So this is how it would go. First, let me show you this. So you would sit down. You don't need a face shield anymore. You know, your regular mask. You can grab it. I can move this back out the way a little bit. Wait. Lower the chair more. There you go. And then you bring this down. You can turn it towards you. So if you want it more towards you, so now you don't have to, you know, bingo.
Perfectly fine.
And then now you can see this now. Yeah, you see his mouth already. And then if you want to,
It's fine.
there you go. Oh, you got the ammo. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. There we go. And then you got the 4-point lights. There we go. Now we got all on. Why? And then if you want to bring it away, see more. See his face, or if you want to go in and see his eyebrows and nose.
The camera part definitely easy to fix. You know.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
No
Definitely.
problem.
Camera. And then also what we're going to change is this. We're going to do an edgeless display because when we do the manual set, sometimes it gets a little hard and a little corny there. So it's going to be an edgeless
Oh
display.
my god, you gotta start a robotic like dentistry soon. You gotta like add in those features.
For real? Oh, that's a good idea.
You should. And, you know, you should have like all those things going, like X-ray. You literally can just have the patient.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the point of this. Once we have the USB ports right here, you don't have to get up.